Welcome to our channel. If you want to build an email list for your business or brand, follow these step-by-step instructions to grow an engaged audience. Step 1. Choose an email marketing platform such as MailChimp, ConvertKit, or Aweber that fits your needs and budget. These platforms provide tools to collect, manage, and send emails to your subscribers. Step 2. Create a compelling lead magnet, which is a free resource you offer in exchange for email addresses. This could be an ebook, checklist, template, discount code, or exclusive content that provides value to your target audience. Step 3. Design an attractive opt-in form that clearly communicates the benefit of subscribing and makes it easy for visitors to sign up. Include a headline, brief description, and a clear call-to-action button. Step 4. Place your opt-in forms strategically throughout your website, including your homepage, blog posts, footer, sidebar, and as pop-ups or slide-ins that appear when visitors show intent to leave. Step 5. Create dedicated landing pages for your lead magnets with focused content that explains the benefits and encourages visitors to subscribe without distractions from other website elements. Step 6. Promote your email list on social media platforms by sharing your lead magnet, adding sign-up links in your bio, and creating posts that highlight the value subscribers receive from joining your list. Step 7. Use content upgrades by offering bonus resources related to specific blog posts or videos, encouraging readers to subscribe for additional valuable information on topics they're already interested in. Step 8. Engage your subscribers consistently with valuable content, not just promotional messages. Build trust and relationships by providing helpful information, tips, and exclusive content that keeps them interested and prevents unsubscribes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.